Here is the weekly market recap brought to you by El Castillo Investments. First, in the chip sector, Nvidia and AMD will give 15% of their China sales revenue to the U.S. government in exchange for permission to sell their high-powered AI chips there again. This deal reopens a multi-billion-dollar market that had been off-limits. As a result, Nvidia shares rose 0.35% and AMD climbed 2.92%. Meanwhile, in crypto, BitMine now holds 1.15 million ETH worth nearly $5 billion, representing about 1% of Ethereum's supply. Led by Tom Lee, the company aims to reach 5% ownership through aggressive buying and expansion. Consequently, BitMine shares have more than doubled in the past week. Shifting to stablecoins, Circle reported a 53% jump in revenue to $658 million, fueled by strong USDC demand. Despite a net loss from IPO expenses, shares rose 7% on optimism. In AI infrastructure, CoreWeave's revenue tripled to $1.21 billion, beating forecasts. However, shares fell 14% due to softer capital spending and project delays. Still, with a $30 billion backlog in major clients, demand remains high. Turning to the markets, crypto exchange Bullish made a striking NYSE debut, opening at $90, 143% above its IPO price. The platform targets institutional crypto trading, with a blend of DeFi technology and centralized security. Moreover, it has already processed more than $1.25 trillion in volume. In the healthcare space, Hy-Vee is partnering with Oscar Health to launch an employer plan combining concierge care with grocery rewards. The program aims to cut employer costs by up to 30% and boost employee savings. Enrollment begins in November for coverage starting January 2026. Next, in high-performance computing, TeraWulf surged 35% after a $3.7 billion hosting deal with FluidStack, including an 8% equity stake from Google. The clean energy-powered data center project could expand to $8.7 billion in value. Finally, in healthcare investing, UnitedHealth jumped over 10% after Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a $1.57 billion stake. Warren Buffett's move signals strong long-term confidence in the company. This comes despite a challenging year of investigations, leadership changes, and forecast cuts. This is all for this week. For more updates and market insights, follow us at El Castillo Investments.